Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how you can insert a scanned signature or a signature photo to your Microsoft Word document. One way to add your signature to the signature block is by scanning your signature and insert it to the document. First, you need to sign your signature on a clean piece of paper. Then scan it or take a clear picture of it like this one. Once you have the file in your computer, you can go ahead and go to Insert tab and click Pictures. Then upload your signature file. Right-click on it and click Warp Text and select Behind Text. Then, let's crop out the extra background. Go to the Format tab and click Crop. Then move the trim marks as close as possible to the signature and click Crop. Now resize and reposition the signature in your signature block. Let's now proceed in removing the background. In your Format tab, click Remove Background. These darker lines are the only thing that it will keep. To add the rest of the signature, click the Mark Areas to Keep button and select the lines that will be included. Once done, you can click anywhere outside the transform window or press Enter. As you can see, it's not totally clean yet. Next, click the Corrections button and select the preset brightness contrast that will give the signature the cleaner look. As you can see, the signature has no background remaining anymore and also looks clean enough. Now, you have a professional signature block with your signature on it. By the way, you can also get a ready-to-use professional signature made by a professional calligrapher from Artlogo. They create professional signature logos that matches your style and career. I will leave their link in the description. Make sure to subscribe and be updated with our next video tutorials. Thank you.